In this video, we will discuss the 5 best respirator masks on the market. After watching the video, you can decide which one is best for you. If you want to know more information on these products, don't forget to check the links in the description down below and subscribe to the channel for future updates. So let's get started. Number 1. Parcil Distribution Face Respirator. When working with harsh chemicals, protecting your respiratory system becomes paramount, and the Parcil Distribution PT100 Full Mask Respirator emerges as a reliable ally. This top-tier respirator boasts a comprehensive design focused on maximizing safety and visibility. Its full-face construction features an impact-resistant polycarbonate lens, providing an unobstructed, crystal-clear view of your surroundings while shielding your eyes from potential hazards. The soft, form-fitting silicone face seal molds comfortably yet securely around the nose and mouth, creating an impenetrable barrier against noxious fumes and gases. Ratcheting pull straps allow for a quick and precise adjustment, ensuring a customized fit that won't slip during physically demanding tasks. Complementing its robust build, the PT100 comes equipped with 2 activated charcoal filters, offering reliable protection against a wide range of chemicals straight out of the box. When the time comes for replacements, compatible filters are readily available, maximizing the respirator's longevity and cost-effectiveness. Number 2. 3M Thermoplastic Elastomer Half Mask. Paint projects always seem to take longer than you expect. Whether painting a room or using volatile oil-based paints on a workshop project, you need a mask that you can wear for a while without becoming uncomfortable. The 3M 6000 Thermoplastic Elastomer Half Mask is the mask for the job. This lightweight, comfortable half mask features soft rubber to create a tight fit. The 4-point harness uses elastic straps and does a good job of securing the mask to the user's face without creating gaps when they turn their head or look up and down. The cartridge locations are more streamlined than other models, allowing for a better line of sight essential during painting projects. It works with cartridges and filters, so customizing your level of protection is quick and easy. Number 3. Reusable Reusable Respirator. For those seeking an affordable and lightweight respirator solution for basic particulate filtering needs, the Reusable Strong Axe Half Reusable Respirator is a practical choice. Crafted from hypoallergenic rubber material, it strikes a balance between malleability for a secure facial seal and sufficient rigidity to maintain comfort during extended wear. The respirator's featherweight design, coupled with a dual-strap harness system, ensures a snug yet unrestricted fit, allowing for uninhibited head movements throughout the day's tasks. A standout feature is its economical replaceable charcoal filters, which can be swapped out effortlessly by the user, resulting in significant long-term cost savings compared to proprietary cartridge filters employed by many competing models. While lacking the advanced protection of professional-grade respirators, the Reusable Strong Axe Half Reusable Respirator offers a budget-friendly solution for filtering out common dust and particulate matter, making it a sensible option for light-duty applications in residential, commercial, timber, hobbyist settings, where maximum respiratory defense is not a critical requirement. Number 4. NASUM Reusable Half Face Cover. Mold remediation is a serious business, and it requires the right personal protective equipment. The NASUM 8200 Half Face Cover is the perfect tool for staying safe during a nasty job. This respirator includes a set of built-in polycarbonate safety goggles that help to protect your eyes and skin from harmful spores. The soft silicone mask helps you achieve a tight, safe seal, keeping spores and dust from making their way into your lungs. The NASUM 8200 uses replaceable filters, so once a cartridge becomes saturated, you can swap it out quickly with a clean one and get back to work. Number 5. Trend Stealth Air A PF10 Half Mask Respirator. You don't have to be allergic to nut-bearing woods for dust to irritate you during a woodworking project. If you're particularly sensitive, however, it can be downright miserable. The Trend Stealth A PF10 Half Mask Respirator is an excellent lightweight, streamlined mask that woodworkers will love. This mask uses replaceable filters that allow you to customize your filtration needs. It also features 2 flexible elastic head straps to maintain a good seal. One standout feature is the bottom-mounted exhalation valve. This valve means you won't have to worry about fogging up your safety glasses while you're working, a must-have while working with power tools or sharp hand tools. The styling and bright red accents make this mask easy to find in a dark workshop.
All products pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Thank you.